I'm going to start with the most obvious clip in his video, the part at 740 where he headshots a spy, despite his crosshair being nowhere near the head hitbox. There is no way you're going to convince anyone with half a brain cell that this is a legitimate shot. You meekly try to play it off puzzlingly, asking how that registered as a headshot, but we both know why. You use silent aim. How are you trying to play this off as legit, seeing that huge gap between where you're aiming at the spy's hand and where the head hitbox is? Let me guess. This is just another coincidence, and leaving this clip in is yet another bait, right? This is disgraceful. Judging by the distance, it's safe to assume you have an aim field of view, or FOV, of about 5, a feature of cheat software such as Lamau Box